Tonight we're running on the right track. I know we never gonna look back. Oh.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a living room deep clean, and this is just kind of, I try to do this once a month. It doesn't always happen, but today I'm going to be using a lot of the 7th generation wood cleaner. And I know a lot of people do like the tricks for the ceiling fan, like with the pillowcase and stuff, but since this was kind of a deep clean, I really just wanted to wipe it down really good.
Rudeness if I'm tripping over your time, but you look so amazing, and we can be so much more than who we are, so much more than who we are. We can knee deep in while the world just falls apart at the rise above it all, and we can.
Also, if anyone has any suggestions on a good thing to hide cords from the TV hanging, we had one that came with the stand or the wall mount for our TV, but it does not work good. So if you have a way that you hide the cords hanging down from the TV, please leave me a comment down below and tell me. And right here, I'm just going to be using the Swiffer duster just to kind of make sure there's no cobwebs and dust the top of the baseboards and the walls and all that fun stuff. Now I'm just going to be using the Mrs. Meyer's and the mint scent just to kind of clean out the lampshade. It had been a long time since I cleaned this out, and it desperately needed. I always kind of forget about it.
Rudeness if I'm tripping over your time, but you look so amazing, and we can.
Now here's the fun part. I'm lifting up the couches and sweeping out from under them. This is definitely the worst place in our house. Somehow I could probably do this once a week and there'd still end up being just as much stuff under the couch, but that's just life with kids. And yeah, I try and keep up with it, but every time I tilt those couches over, it's always a disaster under there.
I wanna get to your clothes, gotta get it right now. I wanna push all the limits with you right now. So watch your feelings, the city's screaming, we're not coming home tonight. We're living quick in the world, gotta get it right now. People talk and tell what you wanna hear now, but they all disappear, they will let you down. So we better stick together, let's come whatever, we're not coming home tonight. We're living quick in the world, gotta get it right now.
So the reason for the sudden wardrobe change is because I could not finish deep cleaning the living room that day. That's just life with 3 kids, and so this is actually the next day.
Do it right now.
And to mop my floors, I'm just using the original Shark steam mop. I know I've heard a lot of people lately say that you're not supposed to use the steam mop on laminate wood floors. I haven't had a problem, and we've been in this house for almost 2 years now. So I hope it's not going to damage the floors, but I haven't seen any damage yet. So far it works so good. And this is Anna you hear in the background. And that is it for this cleaning video, you guys. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope it gives you some motivation. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, And also comment down below and let me know what videos you would like to see if you like all the cleaning videos. This is kind of like a lifestyle cleaning vlog channel. Just let me know kind of what videos you'd like to see. If you'd like hauls or just, you know, life in general vlogs, or if you really like the cleaning videos. But let me know, and also don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell. Thanks guys.
Disappear, they will let you down, so we better stick together.